Mountain exploration, a journey of courage and discovery. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly adventurous, and inspirational topic: mountain exploration. Mountains have always fascinated humanity with their beauty, mystery, and grandeur. From the snow-covered Himalayas to the rocky peaks of the Andes, mountains symbolize strength, courage, and determination. Mountain exploration is not merely about climbing heights, it is about discovering nature, testing human endurance, and understanding the true power of perseverance. For centuries, explorers and mountaineers have risked their lives to conquer dangerous peaks. The journeys reflect the extraordinary courage and determination of human beings. Climbing mountains requires physical fitness, mental resilience, and strong discipline. Harsh weather, lack of oxygen, and unpredictable conditions make mountain exploration highly challenging. One of the greatest attractions of mountain exploration is the opportunity to connect with nature. Mountains provide breathtaking landscapes, fresh air, and peaceful surroundings, far away from crowded cities. Explorers often experience a sense of freedom and inner peace while surrounded by nature's beauty. Such experiences create a deeply transformative effect on the human mind. Mountain exploration also teaches valuable life lessons. Climbers learn patience, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. Every step toward the summit requires focus and determination. Failure and obstacles are common during expeditions, but explorers continue moving forward with courage. This develops a highly resilient personality. Moreover, mountain exploration promotes adventure tourism and economic growth. Many regions depend on tourism related to trekking, camping, and mountaineering. Local communities benefit through employment opportunities, hotels, and guiding services. Therefore, mountain exploration also contributes to economic development. However, mountain exploration is not without risks. Avalanches, landslides, extreme cold, and altitude sickness can become life-threatening. Therefore, proper training, equipment, and preparation are essential. Climbers must also respect environmental rules and avoid harming nature. Irresponsible tourism can damage fragile mountain ecosystems and increase pollution. Environmental conservation is extremely important in mountain regions. Glaciers are melting rapidly due to climate change affecting water resources and biodiversity. Mountains are environmentally vulnerable ecosystems that require protection and sustainable practices. Another important aspect of mountain exploration is personal growth. Standing on a mountain peak after a difficult journey gives individuals immense satisfaction and confidence. Such experiences teach people that success requires effort, patience, and determination. Mountains inspire humans to rise above fear and limitations. In modern times, technology has improved mountain exploration significantly. Advanced equipment, GPS systems, and weather forecasting have increased safety for climbers. However, despite technological support, the spirit of exploration still depends on human courage and determination. However, despite technological support, the spirit of exploration still depends on human courage and determination. In conclusion, mountain exploration is far more than an adventurous activity. It is a journey of discovery, courage, discipline, and respect for nature. It strengthens both the body and the mind, while teaching valuable lessons about perseverance and teamwork. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the respected judges, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my thoughts. Your patience, encouragement, and attentive listening